You're involved in an accident here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit. And you've heard these various terms called liability, causation, and damages. And you don't really know what they mean. And now you're looking for information to try and help you understand what this means. Come join me as I share with you this great information where I'm going to define for you what liability, causation, and damages mean. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. All right, liability means nothing more than who's responsible, who committed the wrongdoing. Now, what's causation? Causation is the link between the wrongdoing and the injury. So you have liability here, you have damages, you have an injury here, and causation means that there happens to be a connection between the wrongdoing and the actual injury. That's known as causation. Now, what are damages? Damages are the actual injuries that you've suffered. And there are many different types of damages that somebody can suffer as a result of someone else's carelessness. Damages will include economic damages, which are lost earnings, medical bills, things like that, as well as non-economic damages, things that don't have an easy way to calculate, such as pain and suffering, the pain that you suffered and endured from the time of the accident until the time of trial and into the foreseeable future. So, legally, we have to be able to show in your accident case that the person who caused your injury was legally responsible. That's known as liability. We have to show that that wrongdoing caused injury. That's known as causation. And then we have to show that you suffered significant injury and the different damages that you did sustain. Whether it's lost earnings, whether it's future medical bills, whether it's the pain and suffering. And there are many other different types of damages that you might be entitled to. So that's the basics of what this means: liability, causation, and damages. I hope this provided just an insight and an understanding to you as you begin to learn more about the litigation process here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize that chances are you may have legal questions about your own particular accident. Well, if your accident did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I answer questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Have a wonderful day.